Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S4 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to start by accessing apps and then Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer. Click on Accept and open it. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. From here you can customize your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set as Wallpaper over here and tap Home button. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!